Jack Domingo. Jacques Domingo. And your champion in the next RM is rider number 50, Jace Pacorsa.
Yes, sir.
Hoy. Ay, Pacorsa, okay. Okay, kasi may typographer kaya ka kanina. Okay, riders, ladies and gentlemen, with honor and pleasure, I would like to present to you now ang ating main benefactor, the Honorable Cecilia Ceci Chavez Luna. Ladies and gentlemen, Madam, present to you mga riders po na tamakbo sa inyong pakarera ngayong araw na ito. Kaya sabi nga kay Mayor, kung magkakaroon ng second Lagayan Motocross Festival, kami po isasali ulit.
Happy birthday, boy!
Happy to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Konti lakas!
Happy birthday to you! Okay. Maghapon, hindi nyo narinig ang boses ni Congresswoman. Bibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ngayon. Madam, all yours.
To all riders and everybody now present here, my warmest greetings to all of you, and thank you so much for your cooperation. And my townmates and province mates are so happy that you were able to come here in our province, in spite that our province is so far. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo nyo sa aming fiesta. Kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat at sana maulit pa ulit next year.
So we're looking forward, ladies and gentlemen, riders, for the second Lagayan Town Fiesta Motocross Invitational. Lahat ng pupunta rito sa isang taon, taas ang kamay! Okay, tuloy ang awarding natin, madam. Okay. So we go na to the Junior 50, madam. Fourth placer sa Junior 50cc. Ito po yung mga bata na 7 years old and below. Rider number 42 from Cabanatuan, Carl Michael Santos. Fourth placer. Third placer, rider number 40, Zaiden Buse. Also from Cabanatuan. Zaiden Buse, ayan na. They all smile. Ito, madam. Hoy, hinihintay yung trophy. Hinihintay yung trophy. Okay. And runner-up in the 50cc division, runner number 44, Jero Rodriguez.
Tayom!
From Abra, ito homegrown talent niya, madam. The future champion. Meron na sariling race track. Kung hindi sisirain, madam, yan, makakapag-practice ang local riders natin. Tama, sir? Okay. And the 50cc champion for today, rider number 47, Hamid Kian from Muy Flores. Yan yung champion natin, madam. From San Pablo, Laguna. Junior 65 coming right up. What person? Okay, there you go. Thank you, Ismail. Hello? Okay, Junior 65. Okay, kung meron bang abo na po pwede po maglaro, well anyway, most probably isama natin sa mga junior riders. Third placer in the 65 division, rider number 45, Gabriel Macaso. Gabi. Okay, that will be award the reward. And once again, for the second time, coming up the winners podium, what number 47, second placer, Muy Flores. Muy Flores. Okay, the Junior 65 champion for Perlagayan Town Fiesta Marcos Invitational, none other than what number 22, Jacob Orbe. Motorcycle Club La Union. Base po yan, madam, sa San Juan, La Union.
Mang Rico. Gata sakta ka na. Klik-klik lang ito yan.
Okay, Junior 85. On Ismail. Bakit ang lalaki? Ismail. Okay, palagay ko kay madam natin i-address ito. Madam, si Joby Solog, ang top rider natin, will be holding a motocross clinic this April 13. Baka gusto nyo po magkaroon ng professional tutor or handler ang apo nyo, could get in touch with Joby Solog. April 13 pa sa Taguig po yan, Pastor Taguig, may sarili mong race track doon. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo naman, imbitahin si Joby dito lang sila mag-practice. Pwede rin. Okay, walang problema. Ano yan, a part-time motocross rider at Wonder Web Chopper Hall of Famer. Joby Solog. Okay, we go now to the Junior 85. Fifth placer, Joas Bermudez. Joas Bermudez. Fifth placer. Fourth placer, Gabriel Macaso. Local Enduro. I think this is the, yeah, local Enduro. Fifth placer. Local Enduro.
Champion na rin kami. Okay.
Member po yan ng Palawan Eagles. Sogo ni Mayor Hagedon po yan, madam. And third placer, rider number 13, Emerson Acosta. Emerson Acosta. Emerson Acosta. Third. Okay, second placer, Kirok Carantes.
Wala na, tama second si first si Kirok.
Hindi, ang champion dito, lumabas si John Haranilla, hindi John? Paki-check. Hindi bale, nagkakaroon kasi ng mga errors din eh. Local Enduro to ha, baka ibang category sinasabi mo. Ardel Gawat, Gabi Alba. Third, nakalagay dito Emerson. So hindi si Emerson? Are you sure? Third, Emerson Acosta. Second, Kirog Carantes. Champion, John Haranilla. O ano naging problema ron? Baliktad. Kirog Carantes, second. Ang champion, John Haranilla. So, wala na ko, paano? Ha? Okay, third si Kirog Carantes. Sino second? Emerson second. Champion John Haranilla. Okay na? Okay na. Nobis 125 coming right up. Nobis 125. Kali, get ready.
Champion.
Intel expert. Okay? Sakop ba ng camera? Mr. Ed Nocum, walang problema? San Andres. Junior San Andres. Third. Okay, runner-up in the intermediate class, rider number 10, Norman Moreno. Norman Moreno.
Something